Well, hey family, this is Darlene stopping by real quick to show you another necklace I worked on. And I love the charm technique so much. I just had to do another one. And this will be one of the necklaces I'm going to mail out for our celebrity shipping. So it'll be this one, and then the other one that I showed yesterday in that other video. That will be one. And then I'm going to make another one. So I figure the more dramatic the pieces, the more attention that they get. And I am going to backtrack and make them into sets. So that's the plan. Because I was like, okay, I want to send dramatic. I want to send what gets attention. And that's the plan. And also, I'm going to be sending some to Tyler Perry Studios. And I'll put probably 3 in the box, and it'll be 3 very different ones like this. And the more dramatic they are, and then the more pieces are in there, of course it gets more attention. So I'm going to even request which show I would like to see, the actors wear them on, and then see how that works out. So I'm going to do this, and I mean, you just got to do little things outside the box, plant some seeds, and see if they work. If they don't, they don't. If they do, they do. But my whole thing is, I know with everything in me, my pieces are supposed to be on people on them sets, on them movie sets, them television sets, everywhere. I know it because they're very dramatic and they fit. They really do fit. Now that's just me speaking that into existence, and I am going to do my part and then let God do the rest. But I love this. I love the way it came out. Really, really nice. And that's a piece of beach glass that I wrapped. And this wire is supposed to be, I think it's 18 gauge, but it's really thin. It's not like regular 18 gauge wire. It was really thin, real, real easy to manipulate. Almost too easy to manipulate. But it came out really, really nice. I like it. Really, really like it. All right, just wanted to show you guys this. And details, try to buzz over to the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone Facebook page if you're planning to be a part of the jewelry competition, $10 Tuesdays. We have the celebrity collaborative shipping um, event coming up. Just a lot of different stuff. And I mentioned in the video yesterday that I'm working on a project for regular work, and I'm hoping to be done with that on this Tuesday or Wednesday. And then once I finish with that, I can really truly dedicate time to putting everything together, flyers and stuff for the $10 Tuesday, um, the celebrity shipping collaboration, and also for the jury competition. So I can put everything on the Facebook page, all the details, the rules. Y'all know we ain't got no rules outside of when you're supposed to post your images and your album. Oh, and that's a thing too, though. So once you create your pieces, you take the pictures, you want to go into the Facebook group and create an album. So once you create the album, you of course want to put your designer name or your business name, and then all the members get to vote on each album. Vote on each album, and the album that gets the most heart, that's the designer that wins. So if there is a tie for some reason, I'll come through and then I'll be the tiebreaker. So that's just very simple, real easy, and it worked for us last. Was it last year we did it? I want to say last year. The last time we did it, it worked out fine. So it worked out really well. So really looking forward to that. All right, it is Sunday, so you know what your girl getting ready to do? Go to worship. Okay, Sunday morning worship. Let's go get this word. Okay. All right, ladies and gents. We'll talk soon.